Well, good morning. I'm Leslie and we're the Doucettes, and it's an early Sunday morning. Well, for me, it's almost 7 a.m. Jody told me that he might need some help at the donut shop this morning, and so I woke up and thought, just do it, Leslie. Just get up, get dressed, and head on over there to help make the donuts or sell the donuts. And so here we go, 7 a.m. on Sunday morning. Let's go do this. So I know in reality 7 o'clock is not that early, and really if Jody told me yesterday he's going to need some help today, I'm just thankful he didn't call me at like 4 o'clock in the morning. Well guys, I really was not able to video this morning because it was just too busy here. So I got here straight to work, been here for a few hours, and now we can slow down a little bit. I can show you how we're making chocolate. How good that looks.
Really making a mess, really.
So how often do you make a large thing of chocolate like this, Jody?
Probably every 2 days.
Really?
Yeah, we go through a lot of chocolate.
Look how good that looks.
Kind of mesmerizing.
Three days later.
What my plan is to do today, this is a few days later after Leslie came and helped us Sunday. Today's Wednesday. What we're going to do today is we're going to go get a sign made for the shop for my hours. We used to be open 7 days a week, but since the pandemic started and then the bad hurricane we had here, Hurricane Laura, we've been closed on Monday. It's just rebuilding and everything. We haven't been able to get enough employees to open 7 days a week. And I know other places, other restaurants, other businesses have had the same issue. Not just here, but all over. So anyway, so we've been closed on Monday. So we decided we're not really losing that much sales. And I think that Mondays was our slowest day anyway. We're going to go ahead and make it permanent. So what I got to do, I got to go get new signs made to update the ones that we have at the shop. So that's what we're going to do today on this wonderful wet Wednesday. That's what we're going to do today, and have you guys come along. I can see the golf course from my house, but it's a little ways away. And I can't believe somebody's actually playing golf in the rain. Man, I'm a golfer too, but I'm telling you, I ain't playing in the rain. And you know, we live here in South Louisiana, and right now it's the end of February, and you know, we're still playing golf. The high today I think is 75. I don't see what you guys do up north in the snow, not being able to play golf for 6 months. That'd be hard for me. That's easy.
They gonna do it for us?
Yeah, they just gotta build it and everything, and he's gonna text me when it's ready. To the next place.
Here we go.
What kind of flower is this?
Laser Synchro Salmon Cyclamen.
What? That is weird.
I don't even know what that means, but look at, they got red, pink, and
yeah.
white.
Not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Gonna get some lunch, unless.
Okay guys, we're finished with lunch now. We tried a new place that we have never been to before, Fat Pat's. It was really good. We had the queso burger and some fries, And Jody always has to get a little dessert here.
Yeah, I like desserts.
So a chocolate shake, and I have to say, It is quite delicious. Look at that, you get a big fat straw.
That's what I call
Fat Pats.
Fat Pat straw.
Guess so. So it's delicious. Your shoes sure are squeaking.
Oh,
yeah, this one too.
Oh my goodness. Flip it over.
Okay, so we returned the cups and now we're off to where?
We're gonna go to Sam's.
And what you gonna get at Sam's?
I gotta get some ham. Leslie's laughing because I said ham. Like 2 syllables. Ham.
I don't know why it just tickled my funny bone.
But it's just 1 syllable, ham. I messed up when I said it.
I got to get some ham from Sam's.
Some ham. And after that, we should be ready to go home.
We'll see.
Yeah. So, I came here to get ham, but I do need to get a TV to replace the one that was on our back patio that got messed up during the hurricane. So now's a good time as any to find one.
They have plenty of TVs, that's for sure. Okay, so that's the end of today. We are back home. We got all of our errands run. We did a lot for the donut shop today, with not much in the way of our eBay business, and that's fine. We didn't need to do anything like that today, but the donut shop needed some attention. We needed to buy some things, and I had a great day. Yeah, it was a good day. A lot of errands, Lake I
Charles.
kind of like that though. I like running the roads and going to do lunch, and
yeah, I'm not
that's
big
just-
on that. Going to eat lunch is fine by me, but I didn't get that TV that was at Sam's. I know that there's a sale online, like $200 off, so I wanted to go ahead and look at that before I make a decision on buying a TV for outside.
Yeah, so maybe next time we'll show you our TV, and because I need a TV for out on my patio, because once it starts getting warmer outside, I'm outside every day. That's where I drink my coffee or just hang out outside, so I need a TV out there. All right, thanks for listening, thanks for watching us and keeping up with our life for today, and we will see you in the next video.
All right guys, bye.